So good day to you all. This is my name is Ajao Toluanimi. Yeah, and I have with me my team members. Yeah, so and this we are working on a project that is titled Traffic Light Controller using FPGA. Yeah, so and yeah, this is the code I will wrote, traffic light control system, and we declared our uh, ports here. We used, this is our sensor, then this is our clock, then the reset button, and then we are using for way junction, the north, the south, the east, and the west. And then from there we went to our architecture, where we also declared our signal counter, signal for our signal counter, which is 27 down to 0, and then our delay count 3 down to 0, and also we went on to declare our state, type of state, that is north green, then west red, south green, east red, north yellow, west red, south yellow, east red, and like that. Then north yellow, west yellow, south yellow, east yellow, north red, west green, south red, east green, then north red, west yellow, south red, east yellow. And yeah, we can see that the next thing, then from there we started our code, started telling it that okay, uh, from the initial state, then it must move from after, then when it gets to the rising clock, then it should move from its initial state to the next state. And then if the reset button is being pressed, it should go back to this present state, that is, this is the initial state. This our green, when our north is green, our south will be green, then the west will be red, east will be red. That is the initial state. And then we told you that if there's a rising edge clock, then it should move to the next state, which is from here. This is our initial state. Then from here it moved to our next state, where the north will be yellow, the north will be yellow, the west will be red, south will be yellow, east will be red. And then from there, if after a while, it will move to the next state, and like that till it gets to, and it will keep looping, it will keep looping like that. And yeah, so and then we told it that okay, when it's in this initial state, then the red light should be enabled, yellow light should be enabled, yeah, the yellow light should also be enabled. So and then we gave it just the code buttons that we could press for it, so which will enable it. And then we told it that okay, when the sensor is 1, and when the sensor is 1, then that is when a vehicle is detected, that states from it should be from the initial state to the next state. When the sensor is detected, that is when there is a vehicle detected from coming from our from the north. Yeah, so we should then, and the sensor should pick it, then it should move to the next state. That okay, from yellow, then the west should okay, I mean from the west, if the vehicle is detected at the west, and if or if vehicle is detected at the east, then it should, the sensor should alert us, which will tell us that okay, the north and the south should get ready to wait, while the west and the east should still be on red. Then the next state, after a while, it will move to the next state, where the north and the west, and the north and the south should be on green, and then the west and the east should be on red. Yeah, and then if it's the other way around, where a vehicle is detected at the other side, then it will move to the next state, like that. And these are just codes we can use for the FPGA that we can use to turn on the LEDs at the FPGA. And yeah, like that. So and then if we try to run it from on our programmer, this is the FPGA.